So this is the ShareGoo control arm kit from Amazon. It's made for the MJX HyperGo 16210, and it is the same car as this Evmore. You can see that all the parts are basically the same. And this comes apart pretty easily. I didn't have too much trouble, just a lot of little Phillips head screws. Yeah, the bit that I'm using there, it's like one of those little mini screwdrivers, and all I did was break the top off the handle, and then it just fit in my drill. Made it a lot easier to get into those tight spots. You can see the control arm comes with a real nice machine screw, and the threads are really smooth. If you attempt to put in that soft tapper, you're just going to destroy that control arm. So the front was fairly easy. The rear control arms were a little more complicated. So the pins on the rear control arms are pressed in, and I found that the best way to get them out is with this spring-loaded punch, and just grab them and twist them out with vice grips. They're a knurled pin that's press fit. At this point, I started to realize that I'm not going to be able to get those shocks on. So what I found was that the control arms, the way they're designed, they can no longer have the shock on the front. I had to relocate the shocks to the back, which was pretty easy. They do have holes on the front and the back of the shock tower. I also had to swap the lower control arms from the left to the right in order for the bottom to be able to be screwed in. Not bad at all. I like the kit. There is some slop in the control arms. I might add some washers or bushings. I did break a front shock. The tops of the shocks are plastic and they can't take much, so the ones I'm getting are metal top and bottom. I'm gonna run 3S in it, so that means I'm probably going to break more parts, but it's a fun little car, and we'll see what happens with it.